How to personalize settings in Facebook. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to personalize settings in Facebook. To personalize Facebook settings, you could just follow the simple steps. So what you want to do is first thing first, open the Facebook app and then log into your account. After you're logged into your Facebook account, what you have to do is that you simply want to tap on the profile icon from the top right and scroll down a bit, click on settings and privacy. Once again, click on settings button, and this is where the interface will take. If you want to personalize settings in Facebook, then you have these preferences section where you want to go ahead and make sure to change it accordingly. Now, content preferences, you want to go ahead and make sure to do that. And then you have these reaction preferences, notification, accessibility, taskbar, all that. You could just go ahead and make sure to change it, and this way you'll be able to personalize settings in Facebook. So these are some of the ways you could go ahead and make changes or personalize your settings in Facebook. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.